We'll guide you through how to open Dropbox on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com into the address bar. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In again. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter the code sent to your phone or email. If you don't have a Dropbox account yet, click the Sign Up button and fill in the required information, like your name, email, and a strong password. You can also opt to sign up using your Google account for quicker access. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox homepage. Here you can see all your files and folders. To upload a file, click on the Upload button located on the right side of the page. Then choose whether you want to upload files or a whole folder. Navigate to the file or folder you want to upload from your computer, select it, and click Open. Dropbox will start uploading your files immediately. You can also create new folders by clicking on the New Folder button to organize your files better. If you need to share a file or folder, hover over it and click the Share button that appears. Enter the email address of the person you want to share it with and set the permissions they will have, either can edit or can view. Once done, click Share. Dropbox makes it easy to manage and share your files securely from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.